You're using ChatGPT on default settings, but there are hidden options in settings that completely change how it works. Custom instructions. This feature lets you control how ChatGPT responds and what kind of answers you get every time. To access it, open ChatGPT, click your profile icon, go into personalization, then under custom instructions, fill the field with things like keep answers short, explain like I'm 15, or focus on coding and Blender. Then save it. From now on, every chat follows these rules automatically. Memory control. This feature manages what ChatGPT remembers about you across chats. Open ChatGPT, go to your profile icon, and open the Memories section. You can add your nickname, occupation, and more information about you here, or scroll to manage memories. Here you can view everything it has saved about you, delete specific memories you don't want it to keep, or completely turn memory off if you don't want it remembering anything at all. This gives you full control over your long-term data. Temporary chat. This is a private mode where nothing gets saved or remembered. To use it, go to the ChatGPT home screen and start a new chat. Before or after opening it, enable temporary chat mode. Once it's active, the conversation will not appear in history, no memory will be created, and everything disappears when you leave the chat. It's basically an incognito session inside ChatGPT. Most people never open these settings, but once you do, ChatGPT stops being just a chatbot and becomes a fully personalized AI tool.